What you doing, Christian? Oh, you're doing makeup with Mara's high heel shoes? Oh, we really need to get Cooper here, don't we? Hey, buddy. Hi. Can you say hello?
Hey, Mom. I don't learn anyway.
Okay. Can you say hey, hello, Christian?
No. No.
Oh, snow. We're looking at all the snow outside. Hey. What do you think? What do you think of the snow? It's pretty good, huh? Can you say snow?
No. No.
Yeah. Hey, I love you. Your high heel shoes on.
Mommy, look what I can do. Mom, what?
What do you think, Christian?
We should bring this out back inside.
Hey, can you take your binky out and say snow? Take your binky out. Say snow. No. Woo. Yeah. Mara's got her big scarf on. He's got a Patriots jacket on. Guys, ready to go for a little walk?
Yeah,
Go for a walk.
around all the apartments.
Yeah, here it is in North Carolina. Doesn't look like North Carolina today, being March 2nd. Does not look like March in North Carolina. It looks more like March in Ohio or December in Tennessee.
But snow out today.
So Mara, what do you think of the snow?
Beautiful. I threw it in the snow.
Yeah, here, let's tie your scarf. It's about to fall off you. What do you think, Christian? Don't scream. Yeah, don't do that.
Hey, that's the sidewalk.
What do you think, buddy? This is for Christian's first time ever playing in the snow. Ooh, it's starting to melt underneath. That's probably because it's March in North Carolina. No, no. Can you say no, no?
No.
No, no.
Hi.
Hi. Mama loves you. Did you have snack? Did you eat chicken? No?
Uh-uh. No. No, no.
No, no. Can you say yes? Uh-huh. Yes, that's right. Good job.
No.
Careful. Can you say hi? Hi. Can you say Hannah Montana?
Hi.
Hi. Hi.
No. No.
Oh, you give a mama hugs. I love it. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Mama loves you. Yeah. Love you. Oh, isn't that nice? Oh, you're getting stuff all over my scarf. Is that Mommy's scarf? What are you eating? Can you say cake? Just shove it right in the mouth. Hi.
What's a cake? A cup. I would like some milk.
That's very polite.
Maybe have some milk, please, Mom?
Your milk is in the refrigerator. It's in a cup all ready for you.
Yeah.
Hey, Christian.
No.
Can you say snow?
No. No.
Can you say book?
No.
Mommy, no, no.
No.
No, no.
No. Mama. No.
Can you say music? Hey, Mara. I love you.
I love you too.
Who's on your shirt?
High School Musical.
Who's your favorite? Okay. Can you say good night? Can you wave to the camera and say good night, people?
Good night, people.
Can you wave? Do a pretty wave, princess wave. Let's say no, no.
No.
Sit down.
No.
Sit down on your tush, please. 1.
Take a picture of
No, not on the table.
my shirt.
Sit down on your tush, please. Sit down. 1, 2. Oh, good job. Thank you. Can you take out your binky and say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.